Now, I've had an issue on my car which has made it undrivable for 11 months. Misfires, snapped bolts, and plenty of upgrades later, we think we've finally figured it out. If you haven't already, don't forget to click subscribe and leave a like to help support the channel. Now, I've had to recently retime this engine back up, and after doing so, it sounded like this. Which left myself and AJ from Indivisa Tuning scratching our heads. However, after some simple back to basics thinking, we think we might have finally got it. As you can see or hear, that sounded absolutely horrendous. Timing, I am 100% sure that the timing is correct. Now, we left it last time with adjustments to try and counteract what we think timing was off. And that map is still on there. So we're going to put it back to base and then try it again, because possibly the adjustments that we made, now it's in time, it doesn't like it. Fingers crossed. So we are back. Base map flashed onto the ECU. Time to put it in, and hopefully it goes well.
Let's go again. You ready?
It's that time again. I am ready.
Let's see. Well, I mean, a positive is the fact that when we were trying to make those adjustments, we started it then, and it was running as bad as it was, says to me that there's got to be something that was off. Hope and pray. Leave it running. See what's going on. We ain't up to temp yet as well. But so far,
I hate this, bro. I hate this, bro. We're gonna let the car run for a minute. What's that noise?
me just being close.
Oh, Sam. We're gonna let the car run for a minute and then I will come back to you guys. But fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. So far everything is looking all okay. We did just run out of coolant, unfortunately, but I am filling it up now. So yeah, I will keep updating you guys as and when I get updates. But yeah, we're looking promising. So, boys and girls, the car, as you can see, is in action. I went for a drive last night, and wow, I don't know what AJ does, but he knows what he's doing. And after we had come to the conclusion that it was mechanical in the last video, I just didn't even second guess myself, and I just went straight into it, did the timing chain. It's a brand new chain, brand new tensioner, everything from the last time that I did it. So I just said, do you know what have I got to lose? And timed it all up, literally checked about 10 times plus. Like the videos that you guys have seen, I have watched those a good 10-15 times to double check, triple check as many times as I can that the car was in time, and I was 100% sure. The measurement up the top of the camshafts, that was correct, all the marks lined up, etc, etc. So this time we actually got it right, and we went to start the car for the first time, as you would have seen, and it didn't want to stay on. So I'm thinking, hang on a minute, what on earth is going on here? What if I messed up? I'm 100% sure that that's right and everything's been plugged back in. And pretty much what had happened is we had left the previous adjustment map on, which we were trying to adjust the time in order to counteract what we thought was one link out of time. Now, I said this to AJ, and then we switched it back to base map, so pretty much just mapping the injectors in, and the car started. The car actually started first time, and I just couldn't believe it. To be honest, I was astounded. It runs perfectly. I'll start it up in a second. I just cannot believe it. 11 months, literally last August was when I broke it. And the whole reason I broke it, or how I broke it, was I put a lightweight crankshaft pulley on, bought one for an EA113 engine, and I didn't realise that I had an EA888 Gen 2 engine. So I've learnt a lot. I took that crankshaft pulley off, tried putting the old one back on, and that's when it originally slipped out of time. Bent the valves. I had to strip the head down, or get the head off, give the head to a machine shop to put new valves in. Big ups to Full Speed Engineering for that. That was last year, and then got it all back together, new timing chain, and it was misfiring horrendously. I kept getting crankshaft position sensor codes, camshaft position sensor codes, replaced the sensors, that wasn't it, they still kept coming back. And yeah, 11 months since this car has run properly, but we're here. And what an absolute journey it's been. But now we get to move on to the juicy stuff and let AJ work his magic. So, welcome back. We are joined once again
by the man himself, AJ.
by the man himself. We're loading up the map now. Final map, final source. I'll record the dyno logs. And finally, after, the whole time I've owned this car, we get to see what she's making. It's been a journey. And it wouldn't be possible without this man right here.
Thank you very much.
Honestly, 11 months it's been off the road. I can't believe that. Like, when you actually put it into perspective. But yeah, so we will, I'll update you when we are in the car. Next clips will be the dyno logs. So, as you guys can tell, it's late. I'm knackered.
I'm certainly knackered as well.
It's about 11 o'clock at night. We got all the dyno runs done. You would have just seen clips of them. But unfortunately, until the next time,
we are done and dusted, my good friend.
We are done and dusted.
But I look forward to any future work, and it's been an absolute pleasure. Really appreciate all the support throughout, and especially with Liam sitting there and retiming everything again. I give him props, because most people would have given up by then. And yeah, until we get some more upgrades, this is it for a while.
I don't have the dyno printouts yet, but AJ's going to send me them tonight, and as soon as I get them, they will be put into the video. But yeah, absolutely phenomenal. 11 months in the making. I just cannot believe it, to be honest. It still feels surreal, and it was all thanks to this man right there. So I've printed it off for you guys, and we are running 222 wheel horsepower, which equates to 246 brake horsepower, and we are also running 376 newton meters of torque. Now, that's crazy figures. Like, it's not crazy figures in the aspect of everybody's builds and stuff like that, but from a little motor like this, which started on 160 brake horsepower, to shoot up to 250. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. It's a lovely drive. I just, like, big ups AJ, man. He really knows what he's doing, and those numbers are something special. I think we started on 250 newton meters of torque. So we've added 125 newton meters of torque, and we've also added about 85, 90 brake horsepower. I just can't believe it, to be honest. I actually just cannot believe it, but it just goes to show that a guy on his driveway respraying his bumper with a 40 quid eBay gazebo, just using a little bit of brain power, you can do anything that you want to do. Of course, if you guys do need to get your car tuned, coded, anything wire related, electrical, do not hesitate to get in contact with AJ from Indivisa Tuning. As I mentioned, his link will be in the description of this video. Tell him I sent you, tell him I said hi. But unfortunately for this week's video, it is over. We now have an absolute weapon of an Audi A3, and this is just the start of the build. So, as always, if you haven't already, remember to click subscribe, and I will see you next Sunday at 6 PM for the next upload on the channel.